Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows cannot start this hardware device code 19 configuration info damaged. First method is click Start, Settings, click Accessibility, click Keyboard, click Turn on on-screen keyboard. Click Regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H-key local machine, click and expand system, click and expand current control set. Click and expand control. Click and expand class. Click and expand key displayed on screen. Open default, change value data to keyboard. Open upper class string, change value data to KBD class. Second method is click Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand keyboards, right-click keyboard, click Update Driver, click Browse My Computer for drivers, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, click Next. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.